Okay, here let me style something equal. Let's do a color cyan, it will look better. Next operation we are going to do, we are going to add a player. So it is very much similar to remove player. So let me copy this and paste it here as well in below this console log. Ctrl Shift I for reformatting your code. We don't want to show the all player at the very top. Let me remove this length as well, we don't need this. We want two input field and player name, it will ask for enter player name, enter player name to add to player set. Let me copy this object and paste it below. It will ask you one more question, and this is type of list. In list we will have two options, choices, we will have two choices, and these choices should be inside a array. Choices are football, cricket. You can make more, but I am going with 2. Select player game, and in the place of splice this would be push. We want to push new player, let's make this inquirer prompt new player. Okay, let's try it out. Player set, we have two command inside player set, we have add command and remove command. We have used remove command few times, let's use add command this time. Player set add, it's asking for enter player name to add to the player set. Player name will be Erling Haaland. Here is the problem, we could not make the same name for both input field. Let's make this game, save it once again. Player set add, player name would be Erling Haaland. We have the select option, we can press up or down button to select any of the game. Say let's select football. We can see we have player with name of Erling Haaland and game of football. Previously we had 7 object, but this time since we have added Erling Haaland, now we have one more. Okay, that's all for this tutorial. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. If you want to learn more about NodeJS and PHP, we have some tutorial on my channel. Please check out. Thank you for watching.